Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to create and send your WhatsApp link, your WhatsApp number link. So anyone who clicks on that link will face him directly to WhatsApp and can send you a message. A simple way to create a WhatsApp link. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, thank you to everyone who supports me. Thank you to everyone who shared the video and click the like button for the video. Thank you from the heart to everyone who supports me now. Let's go through the explanation. The first step we do, my friend, is to go to your WhatsApp. After that, you click on the icon or three dots, the small ones here, then click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, click on your name here in WhatsApp. After that, the share icon will increase here. Click on Share and copy that link to your WhatsApp or share that link to your WhatsApp via a social networking platform such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, or whatever this topic is. Today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, problems, or suggestions, write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.